best approach to communication from home to school is going to be in writing. I would suggest email. It's the easiest thing to do to get information to them. Your emails should be weekly or bi-monthly at the very least. These are check-ins about how things are going, any concerns that are coming up, even things academically related, behaviorally related, or even things about connecting, trouble with connecting, organizing, all those types of things can be included. If you have other observations you want to discuss, if you're seeing trends, also include those in these emails. Of course, if there is something that is urgent, email right away so that you can get your child the help that they need to make sure they're accessing their education. Regular communications really gives the school an opportunity to put immediate solutions in place. If you're still not finding that you're getting the solutions that your child needs in order to be successful or to access their education, the next thing to do would be to call an IEP meeting. You call a 30-day IEP meeting. You do that in writing. All you have to say is, I'd like to call a 30-day IEP meeting to discuss concerns. That's it. The district has to schedule an IEP within 30 calendar days. The only exception to that is if there's a holiday longer than 5 days, like some of these long winter breaks that are coming up. You would bring your bulleted list of concerns. So refer back to concerns that you've developed, emails that you've gone through. This is part of your parent voice, this part. Also, you can record this meeting. So it's just 24 hours written notice that you have to give. The really great thing about recording a meeting is you can then go back and listen to it later. Also, you can hold on to it if you need to later involve an advocate or an attorney and they want to listen to how the meeting went. So it's an important part of your parent rights. Districts will also record usually, but exercise that. So let's talk about the parent voice as part of an IEP team and the IEP process. Parents are part of the IEP team and it is recorded in IDEA. So what you bring to a meeting, what your concerns are very important for the school. They need to address your concerns. They need to discuss your concerns. The parent voice, meaning your words, your concerns and your words. So it's important to bring those concerns, write them out ahead of time. A bulleted list is often a really great way to do it. Doesn't feel as formal. You can read it off and then give it to the case manager to then copy and paste into the IEP document so that is your words. That's that parent voice, that parent power part of it. And then they will address your concerns, each of them through that process. When a case manager say IEP team, that means you're part of the team. So as a parent, exercise your voice, say, hey, I'm part of the team. This is what I think. This is what I want to talk about. You are important, it's valid. If you have other questions or concerns and you feel like you'd still like to talk to an advocate about what are your rights, maybe you're experiencing something that you'd like to talk further about, just go on pacificcoastadvocates.com and fill out a form and we can schedule a free 30-minute phone consultation. We can support you with parent coaching. We can also support you with representation where we're coming alongside of you and helping you through the process completely. Remember, schools are still responsible for your child's learning, their progress, and access to their education.